Digital marketing can play a crucial role in the success of small businesses. Here are 10 success strategies for digital marketing in small businesses. Define your goals. Clearly define your marketing objectives. Are you looking to increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, generate leads, or boost sales? Setting specific goals will help you tailor your digital marketing strategies accordingly. Understand your target audience. Identify your target audience and understand their needs, preferences, and online behavior. This knowledge will enable you to create personalized and effective digital marketing campaigns. Develop a strong online presence. Build a professional and user-friendly website that reflects your brand's identity. Optimize it for search engines, SEO, to improve its visibility in search results. Also, create profiles on relevant social media platforms to engage with your audience. Content marketing. Create valuable and relevant content that educates, entertains, or solves problems for your target audience. This can include blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, or podcasts. Content marketing helps establish your expertise, builds trust, and attracts potential customers. Social media marketing. Leverage social media platforms to connect with your audience, promote your brand, and drive engagement. Regularly post engaging content, respond to comments and messages, and use paid advertising to reach a wider audience. Email marketing. Build an email list and use it to nurture relationships with your customers. Send targeted and personalized emails with valuable content, special offers, or updates about your business. Email marketing is cost-effective and has a high return on investment, ROI. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your website and content to improve its visibility in search engine results. Focus on relevant keywords, meta tags, quality backlinks, and user-friendly website design. Higher search engine rankings lead to increased organic traffic. Pay-per-click advertising, PPC. Run targeted PPC campaigns on platforms like Google Ads or social media networks. PPC allows you to display ads to a specific audience and pay only when someone clicks on your ad. It can drive instant traffic and increase conversions. Online reviews and reputation management. Encourage your customers to leave positive reviews and testimonials about your business. Monitor online reviews and promptly respond to both positive and negative feedback. Maintaining a positive online reputation is crucial for attracting new customers. Analyze and optimize. Regularly monitor and analyze your digital marketing efforts using tools like Google Analytics. Track key performance indicators, KPIs, such as website traffic, conversion rates, engagement metrics, and ROI. Use these insights to optimize your strategies and improve your results over time. Remember, digital marketing is an ever-evolving field, so stay updated with the latest trends, techniques, and technologies to stay ahead of the competition.